In this video, I'm going to let you onto my favorite Omaricode products and showing you how I use them to create amazing makeup looks. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So we all know the first thing when it comes to your skin prep for makeup is going in with your serum. So I'm going to be using the Omaricode Beauty Moisture Serum. This serum contains hyaluronic acid as well as vitamin B5 acid. This is an ultra hydrating facial serum that soothes and repairs your skin by replenishing your skin's natural moisture barrier. I do love the fact that it has this very cool feeling when I apply it, and it does smell nice, I must confess. I just love how it instantly takes my skin from looking very dry after I hit the shower to looking very luscious, and I always like to go more with it because the more the merrier in this case. Okay, so after applying our serum and ensuring that we have that tacky feeling, the next thing we're going in with is our moisturizer. This is the Omaricode Moisture Maximizer, and it's honestly my all-time favorite moisturizer for getting my makeup done from a Nigerian makeup brand at this one. I also like that I can apply this moisturizer on its own on days where I'm not going with makeup, and it still does work and leaves me moisturized for the entire day. Don't mind me, I applied way more than I normally do because I just like having my skin shiny, because I think kind of deceives me to have a perfect skin. So don't be like me, okay? Just applying this here is enough for you. Maybe just even 2 pea pumps is just enough for you. And you see, this is how my skin is looking like right now. This is how my skin was looking like before, and this is how my skin is looking like right after I just applied my serum and my moisturizer from Omaricode. After we've gone in with our serum, with our moisturizer, the next step in your skin prep is your primer, because this is what is going to ensure that your makeup stays on your face for the duration that you want makeup to stay on your face for. So this is the Omaricode Matte O'Clock Primer. I have an oily to combination skin. On some days it does get oily more than combination, can't lie, and that is why I like using the Matte O'Clock Primer, because it ensures that my face, that this is where I want to be mattified, stays mattified for the rest of the day. Another thing I like to add about this is the matte. This is how the matte looks like. It has this very pen-ish feel that I think is really cute. Don't mind me, I just like very cute things in life. So I'm going to be using this all over my face. Typically when I'm going for like a dewy makeup look, and I apply it on my T-zone, which is here. So you notice how as I'm blending it, it does not leave my skin looking like it's casket ready. Like, it still gives me that little moisture and that little hydration that I still have going on. I've been seeing a lot of primers that once you apply the primer, it look like you just applied white powder on your face. But this one, though it's mattifying, it still leaves you having a bit of moisture, and this is very good if you have an oily skin, because when your face is way too mattifying, it then does the opposite of what you're supposed to get with your mattifying primer, because it then sends a signal to your skin that okay, something is going on, and then your skin now begins to produce way more oils than it normally do on a good day. So this is good that it still leaves us with the moisture that we want to have, and you can see that we're not having a whitish look. Once you blend it properly, your skin still retains that glossy look, but it's not oily. I don't know if that makes sense. And the key to using this is that you want to let it wait on your skin for like about a minute or 2 to get that tacky feeling that I spoke about before. Okay, so whilst we're waiting for our primer to settle into our skin, I'm going to be talking about the Omaricode Lip Definer Pencil C. As someone that has purchased more of Nigerian makeup product than high-end product, this is the one pencil aside from the Davinci pencil that I know that has gotten my exact shade of brown that I love to have. This shade, which brand I got, is the shade that is perfect for my skin tone. As a black skin girl, it's sometimes very challenging to get like actual brown shades that will not make our brows look too dark or look too light. It also works as an eye pencil for me, as an eyeliner if I want to use for an eyeliner, and also really see that as I'm drawing my brows, you cannot really tell where I started drawing my brows from, because it's literally the same shade with my brow head, and that's what I love the most about this pencil, and I'll keep repurchasing it as long as it's still in production. Okay, so this is how our brows are looking after I just drew them on with the Omaricode Lip Definer Pencil. And you can see this one keeps my eyebrow color the same, okay? And I love that because I don't like going out looking like I'm a shadow of what actually would look like without makeup. You get it? Okay, so now that we're done with our foundation base, we're going to go in with the Omaricode Bronzed Bay in the shade Beach Bead. And I love how easy it is to blend. I love that it does not take away from my base, because some contours, like when you put it, then it lifts from your foundation, but this one is just easy peasy lemon squeeze. Let me let you on a little secret. I do be using this guys and eyeshadow sometimes, but that's going to be for another video entirely, because I'm the queen of using things for other things that they're supposed to be used for. So blending this into the skin. Another thing I love about this actual production is that it is so easy to blend. So even if you do not have a brush on, you can full on be using your fingers to blend this like that. That easy to blend. Like, take it from me. I feel like I'm going to get another shade that is darker than this because I do be needing it. And guys, it's also very affordable. So now that we're done with the contour, I'm looking for the sister of this one I just used right now. I don't know where it fell to. Jesus Christ, another way. I do hate when I'm filming makeup videos and then my things just be vanishing, or it's like I have partial blindness because I will see it now, and then next second when I need it, I can't find it no longer. Like, why does that really happen? Onto the sister, like I told you, that literally twins. Yeah, this is the Omaricode Flushed Fusion, if only you can focus. Yeah, so this is the bronze base for the contour, this is the Flushed Fusion for the blush, and I got mine in the shade Toasted Spice. This is how she looks like. It's like this vacation color orange that is perfect. And it's so perfect for a woman of color because this shade on our skin is just good. Like, I love that with these actual like products, even this way I don't apply makeup on. All I gotta do is wake up, shower, and then apply it on my cheeks, just a little amount, and then looks like, oh my god, you look like you're ready to shine, which I am. So if you don't buy anything else from this video, get your set because it works on the lips as well. So you can use it as a lip gloss, a lip base, whatever you want to put on your lip. You can work as your eyeshadow. See here, I feel like at this point I'm going to use this to create eyeshadow looks. Yes, I'm going to use that. Just applying this. I have a confession again. I be having plenty of confessions, but I sometimes try to go very little with this guy, but because of how pretty it looks like on my skin, I just keep applying and applying and applying and applying until it enters my eyes because I be having blush blindness sometimes. I can't even lie. So just applying. And one thing about this actual, see, whatever Omaricode saw in that dream that made them produce this guy, keep doing that because this guy as well is very easy to blend. You can blend it with your fingers, can blend it with your brush, can blend it with your sponge. It is blendable. So let's quickly blend this guy with our blush brush. So I'm going to blend this side with my blush brush and then blend this side with my hand so that I can try to show you that it works both ways. So blending it in by just pushing it. And the good thing about this actual blush is that once you blend it, like, it does not change color, because some blushes you will see that it looks orange, but then when you blend it in, it's looking like it's off. But this guy, like, are you seeing? Someone tag Omaricode for me in the comment section because this is so pretty. Like, when I say you don't need to have a full makeup face for this to work, so imagine when you know what, let me just blend this with my hands so that I can show you guys how easy it is to blend with your hands as well. Just tap. You see, almost the same finish. Like, you're not even going to know that I used my hand to blend this guy. If not that I just told you. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing the material? Like, are you seeing this? Like, this is my favorite Omaricode product. Like, I know I love everything equally, but like, this is my favorite Omaricode product right here. Like, take it anyway. And in fact, that kind of whatever I have with my finger as a lip tint. Like, I seen that little orange that I just applied this. I feel like I'm going to get a lot more of this production because they are multifunctional. Like, I can use them for my eyes, I can use them on my lips. So maybe I'll get like the pink of this Flushed Fusion so that I can use that as a lip base because I don't be using orange lip gloss. Okay, I'm not reached that level yet. Okay, so next we are onto the lips. So like I said earlier on, I'm still going to be using the lip definer pencil as my lip liner. Just see how creamy she is. Like, she's so creamy, and I like how she just glides easily on my lips. Like, I guess in this shade, like, tell me you don't like it on me. And I like to just go extra at the end to give me this very pouty look here, and then my lower lip. I don't like putting so much lip liner on this middle part. I don't know, I feel like if you've been following me for a while, you know this guy is not new. Like, I've literally finished this entire thing. This is the Omaricode Never Basic Lip Gloss. I've been using this guy when I wake up, after I leave the shower, before I go to bed. I have been using this guy very judiciously. Like, I feel very guilty, and I like that if you look closely, it has this very glittering look. It feels lightweight, and yeah, she smells nice. So this is what we are looking like with this guy. So now that I've done just about makeup, we're going to be looking everything in with the Omaricode Skin Mist Matte. So given that I used the Matte Clock primer. It just makes sense that I lock everything in with my mattifying setting spray. They have one for dewy skin, but like this is one for markers. I feel like my skin looking a little bit mattified, okay? So I like doing this in like T motion, then diagonal. Okay, so on the days where I want to have a little bit of color on my lower lash line, I do be using the lip definer pencil as well to my lower lash line. The last but not the least Omaricode product that we're going to be reviewing is the Eclipser. If you're not new to this channel, you've seen me use this for almost every makeup video that I put out there, and it's everything and more that you want in a mascara. It's waterproof, it's long lasting, it's clump free. So if I don't actually like use my hand to remove it, it's gonna be there. Come rain, come shine, come thunder, come winter, whatever weather, this guy stays on my lashes without any use of a lash primer whatsoever. I don't like that it has this very slightly curved structure. This just ensures that you are actually getting every strand of lash that you have there. So this is one coat. Let me just zoom in guys a little bit closer. This is one coat. I can see the difference between when I apply the mascara and when I haven't applied the mascara on this other eye. Like sometimes I be wearing this mascara alone, people are like, oh my god, what forces do you use? I didn't use any false lashes. Like this is all natural, baby. Like this is what we have going on right now, and I do love it. And this is just one coat. So if I go in more, I will have more of this. Okay, and this is very good if you're someone that likes to have lashes but you don't want to be dealing with all the lashes drama of your glue or your lash not staying in place, or you just actually wasting time on your lashes. Alright my love, so this is the finished look. This is what we're able to achieve using this Omaricode Beauty product. They actually did their work, and it's been 1 hour since I stopped filming to complete my eye makeup because I had to go film this for another video. And this mattifying setting spray is still mattifying. Like I said, that is looking like my skin and there's no transfer. Did I mention that? So this is the look we're able to achieve with the Omaricode Beauty products. I also went ahead to do an everyday eye makeup look. So if you're interested in seeing how this look came about, do click on this video right here on your screen and I'll see you in that very video. And if you are interested in grabbing your own products, I'm going to leave a link below in the description and also in the comment section so that you can go purchase your own favorite Omaricode product. So let me know in the comment section which of these products actually wowed you, like which is your favorite Omaricode product. Let me know in the comment section and let's keep this conversation rolling over there. Okay, so till next time, I love you guys, stay blessed, stay fabulous.